Inko, oh Inko, Inko.
This is the inaugural season of Ako Bicol Cup 2022, brought to you by Congressman Zaldico and Ako Bicol Party List, katabang na kasurug pa. And this is the third and final match of tonight's triple header. Now let's meet our starting lineup for our both teams. From your Team Bacalay. Starting at guard, number 10, John Katimbuan. Another guard, number 1, John Harold Beltran. At forward, number 0, J.R. Arizuma. And at forward, number 7, Nicky Lurasha. And at center, number 17, Roberto Sayawan. And now for your Team Tabaco. At guard, number 9, Vince Mendoza. And another guard, number 5, Rene Velasquez. And forward, number 3, Melvin Bora. And another forward, number 11, Reynati Bongon Jr. And at center, number 72, Chris Menes. Our game officials are Zeus Menes, Orlando Valeno, Edison Cantillo.
At ito na nga po ang ating last match for our Day 15 ng ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022 between Tabaco and Bakakay. Ball possession ng mga taga-Tabaco. Napunta sa mga taga-Bakakay. And that's Beltran. John Harold Beltran for our first two-pointer of the ball game. At nakuha uli niya ang bola for the rebound to Katimbuhan.
John Harold Beltran.
And ayan.
First 5 points of Team Bakakay coming from one man, and that's Beltran.
Pero nakakommit siya ng foul.
Foul number 1, John Harold Beltran. That's his first team foul.
At mapupunta sa free throw line si Borjal for Tabaco. Hoping for a point at least. And this free throw is being brought to you by Willie and Sons. Basta appliances, Willie's.
Ay, di ako nakahabol dun ah.
talagang, ayan ano, dinakaw ko yung ano yun.
Dapat in sync tayo doon, partner.
Sige.
Oo, baka magtampo sa akin si Boss Will. Sayaw, ang dancing.
Yes. Dancing move from Sayawan. Wala yung tirang yon from that number 11 guy, Bongon Jr. Katimbuhan, spinning, and losing the ball. Ito na naman si Boral. Pinalpal nitong Sayawan. Pero sabi ng referee, foul yung boy.
Number 17, Roberto Sayawan, that's his second team foul. 2 shots for Melvin Burra.
Borjal missing that free throw. Second one. Walang sabit yon. Again, ito po ang Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. Dito po nagaganap sa Daraga Covered Court. And we are being fed live sa Ako Bicol Online TV and Ako Bicol Party List Facebook page and Representative Saldico Facebook page. That's a good one.
Short stop there from Bongon.
Katimbuhan to Sayawan. Hindi nasalo ni Sayawan yung bola, pero mapupunta pa rin sa kanila ang possession.
Ang lapit na to para kay Bongon. That's an easy shot.
Arizobal nasa ilalim. Wala din yung follow-up shot ng kanyang kakampi na si Barasia. Ay! Borjal missing that one pero nandun ang kanyang kakampi.
So kanina yung dahil sa talo ng Team Malinaw, partner, we have a triple tie sa ating second seed sa first district with Malinaw, Bakakay, and Tabaco. These two playing team. Pero definitely, kahit ano man ang mangyari dito sa laban na ito ng Tabaco and Bakakay, wala nang chance for them to advance sa second round because these two teams got defeated by Team Malinaw. Kahit sino ang manalo dito sa dalawang to, matatabla sila sa Team Malinaw, pero because nga tinalo sila ng Malinaw ay nandun pa rin sa top.
Wala nang effect yan sa Malinaw. Pero maganda ang epekto ng pasang yon to that number 7 guy of Bakakay, Barasia.
But then again, this two team is eyeing for a win for that municipality and the pride.
Yes, kasi ano to both teams are with a 2-win and the 2-0 2-2 card. That's Beltran. Naipasa kay Arizobal pero Arizobal cannot handle. So the ball will same possession. Sayawan to Katimbuhan sa labas. Pumasok sa loob. Using his magical move pero kapos yung tira niya because of the heavy defense of Tabaco. Buere. Nope. And now it's Katimbuhan for Team Bakakay. By the way, Bakakay is now leading 11-6. Barasia for the second time, wala.
Nicky Brasha medyo frustrated doon because that's his third miss. This is the comfortable guy para sa Team Tabaco. This Naldosa guy.
Naldosa.
And that's brought to you by Inco Tools.
Yes, Inco Tools. And avail of their 50% discount on all Inco Power Tools ngayong Ako Bicol Cup 2022. So ibig sabihin, while ongoing po ang Ako Bicol Cup, pumunta lamang po kayo sa mga stores ng Inco, magkakaroon kayo ng 50% discount when you avail of any product.
So take a look at this 3-point, very comfortable 3-point shot by Naldosa.
Napaka-effortless, ano?
Ang inaantay dito ng mga tao is for Jok Cunanan to check in to this ball game. That high leaper Cunanan. Ayan nabangan ng mga tao dito eh. They wanna see some flaring action from Cunanan.
And that stunts, how do you call that? Stunty moves. Kagaya nung nakita natin sa previous game with Blanca. Halos, actually, inihahatid na lang sa ring yung bola, no? Russia, number 7, sa free throw line. Making his second one. Naldosa to Buere. Buere launches a long 3. Nope.
That's Chris Menges
Menges.
that who took that last shot.
Okay.
Again, a miss from Russia. Pero andun si Arozabal to clean up that mess.
Another try. And that's a 3-point shot.
I am amazed by our game announcer right now.
Yes, yung bago nating kasama, yung arena announcer natin, si Julius Russell Porlas, adding some color sa ating Ako Bicol Cup.
Exactly.
And
Thank you din kila Commissioner Lloyd for
Oo.
trusting me on selecting this marker.
yes, and of course, thank you sa kanila dahil open na open sila for more improvement sa ating
Yeah.
liga.
Yan ang pinaka-importante dito.
Maganda kay Coach, kay Commissioner Lloyd Rivero, ano ba yung solusyon, sabi niya.
Yan.
Ano ba ang magandang solusyon dyan? If
Is
we
to
have
get
a problem, ano ba yung solusyon?
Yeah. They very open for answers to every question.
Naldosa, medyo short yung 3-point shot na yon from this, probably the smallest guy in the court right now.
That's his second personal foul. Third team foul.
I think this guy stands about 5'7".
For James.
Ganda nung hanap dun, isayawan underneath.
Yan ang,
Arozabal.
yan ang inaantay mo, si Cunanan. And this portion is being brought to you by Yeshiano Mall Legazpi. Ayan na, tumatakbo ang mga taga-Bakakay with katimbuhan. Easy layup using his right. Naldosa. Nakita sa ilalim ang kanyang kakampi. Arozabal sa ilalim. That's a good one from that veteran guy. Katimbuhan, crossing over. Finds his teammate. Wala. Pero nasa kanila pa rin yung bola.
Katimbuhan is part of my top 6 most efficient guards dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup because of his consistency on distributing the ball and even scoring, and stats wise talagang makikita mo how efficient he is.
And effective sa kanyang team. Katimbuhan now. Walang mapasahan. Nakita si Sayawan. Sayawan naman to Brasia. And wala. Yung bola ngayon nakawala sa kamay ni Arozabal. Ayun na si Cunanan. At ang kanyang hang time in the air. Number 4, that was Beltran. I mean, yeah, it is. Beltran, Jasper James.
You miss out this game's partner because yung first district laging Sunday, no?
Yeah. I'm actually getting familiar with these players.
Buti na nga lang sa top 6, dalawang team lang at naglaro na kanina so medyo familiar ka na sa kanilang
Oo.
dalawa.
Kaya talagang kinakabisado ko yung mga pangalan nitong mga players na to kasi nagkakataon na pag Sunday sila naglalaro and it is also my off.
Raygon Kalupas.
Ayan si Kalupas. Tama ba, partner?
Oo, si Kalupas.
Kalupas. Tumalanse. Nasa ilalim itong si... Is that King?
Yeah.
Are they native from
Tabaco.
of Tabaco?
Si Alexander.
Matatangkad, ano? Katimbuan, faking, and looking for a teammate, and losing the ball. Mapupunta ka ngayon ng bola sa mga Tabaco. Score natin ay 27 for Bakakay and 16 para sa Tabaco. 59 seconds or 59.2 to be exact remaining sa ating first quarter dito sa labanan ng Tabaco at ng Bakakay. Again, labanan po ito ng mga taga First District.
And the last day of our elimination, first round of elimination. And yung second round natin magsisimula on Saturday.
Yeah, that's December 3.
Oo, at magantay lang kayo ng announcement kung saan
Oo.
and anong oras magsisimula.
So starting December 3 po, every day na po yung Ako Bicol Cup. Araw-araw na po yan until mag-finals po tayo. Kunanan, nakita sana si Balansin na nasa unahan kaya lang kapos yung kanyang pasa. Nauna sa mga taga Bakakay ang bola. Kalumpas to Katimbuan. Nakita si Philip Salinas sa ilalim, losing the ball. Ito na naman si Kunanan. Ooh. Pretty move there by Kunanan. And another good one from Katimbuhan.
Ball number 10, Berkeley and that's his second.
Ganda
Third.
din yung pasahan dito ng Team Tabaco. And Balanse hitting that shot. Just on the replay.
Katimbuhan short on that one, and this free throw shot is being brought to you by Missy Bisbee, your tropical island getaway.
Substitution, Raynel Balance for Vince
And the second throw of Katimbuhan was a success. Ang bola mapupunta sa mga taga-Tabaco. Which Naldosa. Binigyan ng screen itong number 10 na si Gaza. And nawala yung bola. And it will be Bakakay's ball. Kalupas. Tinapon sa gitna. Mabutit nandun si Salinas. Dire-diretso sa hole. And that's a two-pointer for Philip Salinas and for Team Bakakay. And that attempt from way behind the arc was the last shot sa ating first quarter of action. Bakakay leading by 30 points ang meron sila, 18 naman para sa Tabaco. And magbabalik po ang second quarter of action. Diyan lamang po kayo, magbabalik kami dito sa Ako Bicol Cup. Yes, nagbabalik po tayo dito sa laban ng Bakakay and Tabaco. Ako Bicol Cup 2022 hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List with Kapa Morgan and Coach Kyle Marilla. Giving you the best. Nothing but the best.
I did my best.
But my best
my
best
guess-
wasn't good enough. Parang kanta yun
Oh.
Yun ang best shot na hinahanap natin. Mga alaohoy na tira nitong si Kunanan.
Yung Ohoy, Coach Morgs, yun yung naging signature sa radio nun, no?
Ah yes, of
Yung
course.
Ohoy mo.
Matagal na yun. Nakita mo yun?
Oo. Yun, Alaohoy talaga yun.
Alaohoy na tira was brought to you by Willie and Sons. Basta Appliances,
Willys!
Yan. Nakakatig-ilan na ba tayo? Bilangin mo lang.
Nag-isang aircon. Guess missing that shot.
Minguez is a guest player ba?
Yeah, hindi. Import siya. He is playing for Bicol Spicy Oragons on the PSL right now. Pero tatapusin niya lang tong tournament at babalik na siya. Sabi niya sa akin kanina, nakausap ko si Chris. This is a very good player on his time when I first saw him playing for the Bicol Spicy Oragon in that inaugural season of a Pearl of the Orient Cup. Magaling talaga tong batang to. Yung long arms niya, even the touch from the Rainbow Country o the 3-point country, talagang pumapasok. So tapos yung talagang yung demeanor niya, the way he play, talagang tawag niya, may intimidate ka din sa height niya.
He stands about mga 6'2", di ba?
Oo. And nahirapan din sa kanya during that last game of them sa PSL, nahirapan din sa kanya si Larry Rodriguez. Another veteran guy coming from the PBA.
So good thing na nagkaroon siya ng stint dito sa Ako Bicol Cup. And he can tell kung ano yung naging experience niya dito.
And nagpapa-shoutout ulit si Alexandre Martin de Oraa. Shoutout po sa team ko, Kalsada 23 Below o yung Ginubateños team.
So hello po sa inyo.
Meron tayo dyan, papadala na niya tayo ng Ginubatan Longganisa.
Ay, dapat
5 kilo. Tag-iisa tayo nila, Paul.
Hindi na tinatagalan yan.
Direct.
Sige, we will highly anticipate.
Oo, yung mga nanonood sa atin, kung makabisita kayo sa Albay, daanan nyo ang Ginubatan with their puto and Ginubatan Longganisa.
Oo. That's a pretty move. Pero kapos lang yung tira. Ayun na si Kunanan. Faking. And finding that number 4 guy. That was Belangel. Philip Salinas. Nope. Muntik nang makalabas si Salinas sa court natin.
Si Philip, another veteran guy for the team. Baka kaya guest player actually para sa kanila. As we take a look at this replay, that wonderful pass to Belangel. Philip naglaro ng Bicol Volcanoes in that MPBL.
Good find from Minguez to King.
Talaga mga players natin dito, mga very decorated players eh.
Di mga basta-basta yung mga player natin dito sa Ako Bicol Cup.
And yung young ones, and especially yung mga youth na nanonood sa atin via our social media platforms, definitely will learn from them.
Yes, and they will probably, or most probably, will raise their standard when it comes to playing basketball.
Oh, that inspiration and motivation.
Oo, kasi dati Interproc lang ang pinapangarap nila. Ngayon, Ako Bicol Cup na. Dapat, sabi nila, pagdating ng oras, pagdating ng panahon, makakapaglaro din kami dyan.
Oh, especially sa mga bata ngayon, they want to play in this kind of tournament. Lalo pa meron kang live broadcast, live coverage.
Parang sabi nila, parang masarap na mabigkas ni Coach Kyle yung pangalan ko while nagli-lay up ako. Diba?
Oo. That's the dream.
Oy, that's a three-pointer. And that's from At number 32 guy is Villar o Bakakay.
John Harold Beltran.
Bilis ng laro, ano? Kaka 3 points lang. Ngayon, layup na naman. Mula kay Beltran. Bengues. Medyo matulis at short yung tirang yon. Sobrahan naman ni Salinas yung kanyang pasa for Beltran.
Grabe, taas ng talon talaga.
And that slow-mo was brought to you by Inco Tools. Kung saan may Pilipino, nandun din ang Inco. Ayan, nag-aagawan ng bola. Napunta sa mga ano ba to?
Pink.
Puti o pink?
Pink.
Pink nga. Ayan na naman ang mga taga-Tabako. Punanan finds King and finds Menges. Great play. Napakagandang play na yon. Before we head on to this timeout. And this timeout is being brought to you by Mississippi Bay, your tropical island getaway.
Team building.
Team building.
Diyan yung mga nagti-team building talaga sila. Talagang very conducive sa ganung mga event.
Yes.
Ang Mississippi Bay, your tropical island for team buildings. And even Christmas party. Right?
And for families na gusto lang mag-enjoy, magbakasyon, talagang isa yan sa mga destination dito sa
Kumbaga,
Bicol.
Albay has a lot to offer.
Yes, and Mississippi Bay is one of them. Villar. Nakita ang kanyang kakampi na si Katimbuhan. Balik sa kanya. At pumukol ng tres. Short. There was balance sa harapan niya. Kaya medyo na-distract yung tirang yon ni Villar. And that ball wouldn't drop. Ito na naman ang mga taga Bakakay. That's a takeaway courtesy of Daldosa. Daldosa. Yun nga lang. That's a traveling violation or a double dribble. Russia. Tubasaysay. Finds Villar. Shooting three. Yes!
Team Tabako giving those open looks from 3 para dito sa Team Bakakay.
Ooh, talaga mapapa-woo.
Oohs and ohs
Oh.
from the crowd.
And that one is a good one from Katimbuhan to Salinas. Finishing off with that two-pointer. And this slow-mo is being brought to you by Yashano Mall, Legazpi. That free throw won't drop. Kaya mapupunta na ang bola sa mga taga-Tabako. Balanse. Hindi mabalanse ang tira.
Off balance siya doon.
Oo, off balance. Tirang yon, kaya hindi na-shoot from behind the arc. Katimbuhan waiting for his teammates. And nakita doon si Brasia.
All number 5, green as balancing. That's his second personal foul. 13.
4 minutes 40 seconds remaining sa ating ball game and 14 seconds to shoot para sa Team Bakakay. Inbounding sa baseline is Brasia.
40 seconds on the shot clock.
Finds Katimbuhan. Katimbuhan shoots 3. Nope. Pero nandun si Salinas. But he was called for a traveling. Daldosa bringing the ball in. Balance. Wala yung tira yun ni Boral. Short, pero nandun si Bonggon for that 2-pointer for Tabaco. Score natin 32-44. Bakakay leading. Basaysay crossing over. Nakita si Villar. Basaysay.
Si Basaysay magaling tong guard ng Team Bakakay. Tatlo ang guard din dito na magagaling. Yung Beltran.
Yung mga Beltran.
Yung
Oo.
dalawang Beltran, si Katimbuhan, and even this Basaysay.
Look at that move. That's a great move.
Yung footwork na yun eh.
Oo. And only an experienced player can do that. Daldosa launches a triple. Nope. Nakuha ni Katimbuhan. Katimbuhan against 2. Yes! Sabi niya, hindi ko na kayo hintayin. Diretso ka na to.
18 na ang kalamangan ng Team Bakakay.
Bonggon to Balance. Balancing inching in for a pass for Borhal. And now, nasa mga taga-Bakakay ang bola. Beltran. Nag-alayaw-yaw na tira. Daldosa giving it to Borhal and back to Daldosa using the glass for 2. Brasha. And that's a bad pass from Brasha to Salinas. And that one is a good shot naman sa kabilang banda. Courtesy of Balance. And now nag-aagawan for the possession ang dalawang koponan at napunta sa mga taga-Tabaco. At yun, nakasungkit pa ng foul itong si Boral.
Basket count, foul number 7, Nicky Baraka.
And the sudden 6-0 run here for the Team Tabaco with this and 1 para kay Borhal. Kaya 12 na lang ang kalamangan ng Bakakay. And he has the chance to trim this lead down to 11.
And we will see kung yun ang gagawin nitong si Borhal. Merong mga uy-uy doon. At merong ang
Foul number 3, Melvin Bong. That's his first 45.
yun na nga. Merong foul na naitawag sa Team Tabaco. Now, it's Katimbuhan for Bakakay. Being guarded by Kunanan. Mukhang, ayun, nilubayan ni Kunanan. Nakakita ng opening for a pass to Basaysay. And Basaysay naman, hindi pinahiya itong si Katimbuhan. Kunanan. Yes! Basaysay now. Finds Arisobal.
Nice pass by Basaysay.
And almost making that shot is Arisobal, pero he was heavily guarded.
Team Tabaco.
And that shot was highly contested, kaya nasa free throw line siya ngayon dahil may contact na na-receive. And this portion is being brought to you by Highlands Park.
Can we go there later?
Maybe
Sarap
we
ang
can.
pahangin dyan eh.
Oo nga eh.
Anong oras ba kayo matatapos, Paul?
Kahit
Siguro-
magpahangin ka lang, solve
Oo,
ka na
solve
dyan.
the best, I guess that is one of the best relaxation
Destination.
places
Oo.
dito
And
sa atin.
one of the most visited
Ano ba meron dyan,
venues.
partner? Ano ba mga meron dyan?
Merong mga ano dyan. Merong mga yun. Mga iniisip mo.
Mga inuman, gano'n, no?
Oo.
Mga bar, mga
Meron.
food houses, mga food carts,
Oo. And how do you call that? Ano? Yung nakagano na
kamay.
kamay. May tawag doon eh. Wala na. Sa dulo ng dila ko eh. Pwede ka magpa-picture doon. And of course, the overlooking...
Finger
Finger roll. Finger roll. Oh. Parang nagpa-finger roll, di ba?
Oh.
And of course, overlooking the city of Legazpi.
Yes.
And even the other
Yung
parts of...
golf ng Albay, no? Sa
Oo.
Legazpi.
Makikita
Makikita
mo
mo doon.
talaga. Kitang-kita doon. Masarap doon mamasyal pagka kasama mo yung ano.
Oo, loved ones.
Oo.
Kung meron.
Kung meron. Kung wala, maghanap ka muna. Baka makahanap ka doon. Baka meron naghahanap din
Oh,
doon.
see it from there.
Meanwhile, that's Bilanghel for Boral. And ito si Boral na foul
That's his second.
while attempting to add numbers to his team.
I guess this is the high time to at least let's give credit to our team,
Yes.
Boss Morgs, especially our script writer Jan Iris Muhar.
Oho.
He is not with us pero nandito yung kanyang doble cara, si Mark.
Oo. Nandito. Tsaka nandito yung kaluluwa siya.
Andito because of the scripts.
Yes.
And of course our PA, our FD, si
Yes.
Caitlin Manzanillo, and of course ang ating courtside reporter Carmela Hernandez,
Our statsman, Joy
Gonzalez.
And of course, the new members sa group natin.
Oo.
We have Julius Russell
Oo.
Porlas.
Parang ano ko na siya, apprentice ko na siya eh.
Oo. And of course, we have Carl also. Carl, bago sa tech team natin.
Yeah. And suddenly, balik sa 17 ang kalamangan ng Bakakay. And of course, the whole production team who's
Yes.
taking care of us every now and then. So, I'll definitely take care of them soon. Lalo na to si Nico.
Inaasahan ka niyan.
Oo. Sisikapin natin yan. Just
Lapit na.
wait and see.
Magpapasko na eh. And of course, the Ako Bicol team. Siyempre.
Sila Sir
maraming
RJ.
Oo. Arisobal.
And of course, hindi ito magiging ganito kalaki and successful if without you all guys na nanonood sa atin. And even yung mga live audience na still here watching us and supporting their favorite players or
Favorite
teams.
teams. Oo. Kahit medyo late na yung gabi, nandito pa rin po sa Daraga Covered Court to witness this ball game between Tabaco and Bakakay. Kunanan, pinasa doon kay... And just in time for Bilanghel to hit that one as we end our second half dito po sa labanan ng Tabaco na may score na 46 at Bakakay naman ang una with 60 points. And then again, that's the end of our first half together dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Hatid po sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa.
tahanan, opisina, ang maaasahan mo ay Inko. Oh, Inko. 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 Oh, Inko. 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 Oh, Inko. 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 Oh, Inko. Inko.
Tucked away in the province of Albay, known for its perfectly shaped Mayon volcano, Misibis Bay Resort, a locally owned 5-hectare private island resort. The resort is ready for all those looking to balance tranquility and adventure. This tropical destination is where guests can either choose to relax under the palm trees or have an adventure under the sun. It features modern and luxurious rooms and villas, recreational facilities, and sophisticated services. Come and experience Misibis Bay Resort, your tropical island getaway.
Third quarter.
At yan na nga po, third quarter of action between Tabaco and Bangkakay. Still with yours truly, Kapap Morgan and Coach Kyle Marilla.
Alog. Akala ko papasok eh.
Muntik na mahulog, ano? And of course, kasama pa rin natin si... nandito pa rin si Miss Carmela Hernandez. Bangkakay leading this ball game by 11 points. Arizobal almost losing that ball. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Na-rebound ni Cunanan. At nakita na nandun na si Daldosa. Na nakita naman si Bilangel. Wala. 2 against 2. At ayan, nasa kay Beltran na ngayon ang bola. Nasa kay John Katimbuan for that reverse layup. Daldosa finds that number 72 guy, Mendes. And that basket will count. +1. And this slow-mo is being brought to you by Willie and Sons. We make things together.
Ay, hindi mo ginamit yung gusto ko.
Dapat pa. Sa palitan kasi yan eh. Ayan na. Muntik nang makawala yung bola pero na-save yun ni Minguez for Tabaco. At kaya lang, nag-traveling naman doon si Bilangel.
Substitution. Philip Salinas for Nicky Brash.
Timbuhan being guarded by Daldosa. Crossing over him. Finds Sayawan. Ayun. Jolens. That tallest guy sa loob. Almost the tallest guy. Dahil we have King of Tabaco. Bilangel. Nope. Nakuha ng mga naka-pink. Ayun na. From Beltran to Katimbuhan. +1. How excited are you, Coach, sa magiging laban sa ating quarterfinals?
Super excited. Ang gaganda ng mga laban natin dyan.
And by the way, this slow-mo or replay was brought to you by Inco Tools. Kung saan may Pilipino, may Inco. You were talking about the excitement that we are about to experience sa mga susunod na araw because of the quarterfinals starting December 3.
Yeah, yung sa first district will be Santo Domingo and Malanao. For the second district, Daraga and Legazpi. At para sa third will be Pulangi and Libon. So definitely a fun match up to watch dito sa Ako Bicol Cup because of the nakita naman natin how strong they were and yung mga highlights ng mga
Oo.
players, diba?
And those exciting ball games, yung alam mo na, yung pitsi-pitsi ball games na
Oo.
tinatawag natin, yung mga dikitang ball games talaga.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that Aspe versus Daguro match up.
Yan, isa yan sa mga inaabangan natin.
Travel doon.
That's a traveling violation. And talking about Aspe, nandito sa likod natin si Dazzle Paul
Oo.
Aspe. Witnessing this ball game.
Andito siya to support me, right, Pao? To support me. No, nothing less, nothing more.
Hindi kung sino
Oo.
ang sinusupport niya,
Yes.
but you.
And syempre, ang daming matchup doon na abangan parted yung 6
Oo.
teams na yon. Yung sa mga gwardiya pa lang, almost the guards, the most efficient, the top 6 most efficient guard of me is coming from those 6 teams.
Talaga?
Oh, just imagine the centers, the labanan ng mga sentro, talagang aabang-abangan na yan.
Maganda talaga na yung matchup na dyan. Talagang halos lahat ng mga games talagang kapanabik. Panabik.
Oo, hirap ng mga Tagalog natin Yung mga madali lang para
Sabi na kasing wag Tagalog, hindi Tagalog. Ayan. As we can see.
But I wanna congratulate yung mga teams. But before that,
Ito muna, yung brought to you by Highlands Park, yung free throw yon ni Katimbuhan. Yes,
Yeah.
you were saying,
just like what I'm saying, I want to congratulate all the teams that will go out this early sa ating Ako Bicol Cup. They put up a good fight and nothing to be ashamed of. They must be proud of what they did and ano yung mga tinrabaho nila dito, especially lalo-lalo na yung mga nasa bottom teams. Diba?
yung experience and exposure na experience nila.
Oo,
Diba?
na di mo makukuha kung saan-saan.
Oo. And that free shoes.
Yes.
Talking about the free shoes. Mukhang masarap suotin at
I have mine.
buti ka pa meron na. Ako wala pa.
I have mine already.
70-57 or make it 59. Makakay pa rin leading this ball game.
Nakita ko lang to partner sa may doorstep ko eh.
Talaga?
Biglang may shoes doon. Thank you.
Ay baka sa akin sa window naman makakasabit o baka naman pwede kong ipasok sa medyas ko. Sasabit ako ng medyas ngayong magpapasko.
Ano bang medyas mo sa elepante?
Ha? Basta siguraduhin ko
Kasya yung
na
sapatos?
nakakasya yung sapatos na 9.5 or 43.
Same.
Oo. Borhal. Dominguez, Tukunanan. Nilabas ang bola kay Balance. Tumira naman doon si Bonggon.
At walo na lang ang kalamangan na ito.
Salinas, dire-diretso! Nablangkat siya ni Bonggon. Ayan na si Minguez. Nope. Nandun si Arizabal. And that's a foul committed by Arizabal.
That's the second 35. Time out. Team Bakakay.
And this timeout is being brought to you by Ellie's Ecotel. Ganda, no? Alright, sige. Kakaroon ng konting paglilinaw yung mga referees with the coaching staff of Bakakay. And mukhang nagkakaroon ng basketball clinic. Mini basketball clinic. We're back in the ball game
Single.
at 5 minutes and 42 seconds remaining time. 21 seconds ang nasa shot clock ng mga taga-Tabaco. Kunanan with the ball now. Finds Bonggon. Bonggon finds Balance. Throws it back to Bongon, who shoots a triple, and that's a good one.
Goosebumps talaga ako sa Barker natin.
Oo.
Very impressive.
Yes,
Ano
first day ng ating arena announcer, and feels like he's been there for almost a year.
For a while.
That is second, third, foul. Shooting two.
Maganda pagka talagang nandun yung boses at saka marunong kang
Yeah.
salita, no?
Yan lang din naman puhunan ko eh.
Oo, you've been a marker for
For the Pilipinas Super League. For the 2 season.
yan din ang parang gusto kong ma-experience. Kaya lang parang hindi babagay sa boses ko. Ang boses ko kasi pang ano eh. Alam mo na.
Panglindok.
Bengues cannot make it. And the ball will what?
Will stay.
Will stay to Tabaco. 4 minutes and 53 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. And there you go. Binadali na kaagad yun ni Bongon. The ball went out of bounds at mapupunta sa Bakakay. Now it's Katimbuhan. Nasa harap niya itong si Balance. Katimbuhan shoots a triple. Nope. Short. Muntik nang hindi mapansin yun ni Bongon.
Si Kunanan doon parang tumungtong sa ladder eh.
Parang spring parang may spring yung paa. At parang gumamit ng, sabi mo nga, ladder, parang gumamit ng hagdan.
Parang hagdan doon eh.
Oo.
Tignan mo yung replay yan, no? See? Oh.
Grabe
Kahit
lumundag.
magtimpla pa ng kape eh.
Oo.
Grabe
Ganda
talaga.
ng mga replay natin iba-ibang anggulo.
The best. Sabi nga daw, dadagdagan pa daw ng camera eh.
Oo. Magkakaroon pa nga tayo ng yung drone.
Oh, nice.
Drone shot. Oops. And the ball will go to Tabaco. With Boral and Balance helping each other out. Bongon to Mengues, who leans forward. At nandun si Arizobal committing that foul.
That is third, fourth, foul.
Ito yung last play. Foul nga. Mengues. Good. Now the ball will run for Bakakay. Basaysay. Nope. Wala din yung putback nitong si... Ayan na, wala pa rin. Mukhang sabi ni Salinas, madulas yung bola.
That is first, Team Bakakay in penalty situation.
So take a look at Philip Salinas there.
Patrick Niagasa for Christopher Mengues. Substitution. Two shots for.
So Basaysay will go out for Katimbuhan. Now it's Kalupas. Kalupas coming in. And now it's Boral on the free throw line, making that shot count. Score natin 72-70. Uy! Dalawa na lang pala ang hinahabol nitong mga taga-Tabaco as we get closer to the 3-minute mark of this third quarter of action.
Same ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
So mukhang nararamdaman ko na magiging exciting na naman ang pagtatapos ng laban na ito.
We could go to an overtime.
But we definitely don't wish na magkaroon ng overtime.
Number 17, Roberto Leon.
Hindi malayo mangyari yan with this score. We could go to an overtime.
Triple overtime. So papasok itong si Barameda. Number 8 of Bakakay. We also have Kalupas. Now inside the ball game. Boral short on that one. And that free throw shot was brought to you by Embarcadero. Katibuhan crossing over. Finds the guy from the baseline. And Barameda shooting threes. Bongon gives it to Boral. Borhal now. Balik kay Bongon. 4 at 3. Ayan, yun ang sagot niya sa tirang ni Barameda kanina. Ayan na naman si Barameda. Almost. Pero medyo malakas ng konti yung tirang yon. Nasa loob na din si Jasper James Beltran. Boral zigzagging. Yes!
Meron pa ng ganong move si Borhal.
Oo.
A little Euro step there.
Katimbuhan waiting for his teammates na makaposisyon. Binigyan ng screen ni Kalupas. Dumiretso. Trying to squeeze it in. Kaya lang, na-foul na siya.
Patrick Leander. That is fourth defense.
And we have a
40 seconds on the shot clock.
deadlock here. Nasa mga taga-Tabako ang bola. Wala pa rin. 3 against 3. Katimbuhan against Borhal. Nalusutan si Borhal, kaya lang hindi na ibuslo ang tira. Daldosa travel there. That's a traveling. Yun. And Villar will be inbounding for so the ball will be inbounded sa sideline. Yun na
Then a sudden full court press here for Team Tabako.
So tag-iisa na sila. Talagang man-to-man defense to. Full court man-to-man defense ang ipinapamalas ngayon ng mga taga-Tabako. Pero mukhang kahit ganon ka tindi yung depensa, nakuha pa rin na mapasahan itong si Katimbuhan. Yun nga, si Aresobal sa ilalim, who was fouled while trying to make that shot. Pero making this free throw now for yes, Aresobal, and this free throw shot is being brought to you by Hotel Venetia. The second one counts.
Substitution, Alexander King for Patrick Leander.
And King coming in once again for Team Tabako. Balance. Gives it to King. Nakakapasok pa lang.
Same ball, 14 seconds on shot clock.
Daldosa looking for a receiver, but that's a violation. That's an inbounding violation committed by Daldosa. Kaya mapupunta ang bola sa kupunan nitong si Villar, who will be throwing in for his team Bakakay. Ayan na si Katimbuhan. Binigyan ng screen ni Kalupas. Stepping back. Yes! For Katimbuhan. And then step back 3 is in effect.
And I guess that's the first one for Jan Katimbuhan.
Yes, it is. Menges forcing it. Nope. Pero nandun. Hindi, nakuha ni Arizobal ang bola. And ayan na. Kalupas. Yes! Ito na naman mga taga-Tabako. Menges. To Kunanan. Kunanan, sabi niya, sandali. Nakita si King. Naibalik kay Kunanan pero walang mapasahan. Napunta sa kamay ni Arizobal at yun naman napunta kay Barameda na humaharurot papunta sa kanilang court. At yun na nga, buslo ang kanyang left-handed layup. Giving it back para sa Bakakay. I am talking about the lead. Fourth shot as we end our third quarter mula kay Menges. Score natin, Bakakay 84, Tabako 75. Magbabalik po kami ni Coach Kyle Marilla dito po sa bakbakan ng Tabako at ng Bakakay sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Atin sa inyo ni Congressman Sal Deco at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa!
Libo-libo na ang mga nabigyan ng tulong medikal. Bata, matanda, kahit sino man, lahat ng mga may karamdaman, may maaasahan.
Nagpapasalamat sa Ako Bicol Party List.
Hindi po namin makakalimutan ang tulong na dinala ninyo dito sa aming bayan.
Maraming salamat po.
Dahil iisa lang ang tunay na nagmamalasakit. Ako Bicol, katabang na, kasurog pa.
Ito po ang last matchup sa ating last games dito po sa ating semi-final round. Or I mean, this is the elimination round.
Excited ka na, partner, for the second round.
Yes.
Even I.
So start na po ng ating fourth quarter action. Kunanan, nakita si Menges na nagka-cut. Yun. That's a great shot from Menges from Kunanan. Barameda. Villar. Finding Arizobal and finds back Villar pero couldn't handle the ball that well in that particular play. Daldosa and that mapapauhoy ka talaga sa tirang yon. Daldosa making that one for Team Tabako. Barameda gaganti. Nadali, sabi niya, di ko kaya, bigay ko kay Villar. Villar, Katimbuhan finds Kalupas. Missing on that one. Ayan na! Ang oh!
Binuway kaya ni Kunanan yung
That's a
round.
jam from that guy, Kunanan. Two-handed jam. I never knew that he can do that.
Sabi ko sa'yo kanina eh. Kilalang kilala si Kunanan dito because of that high leaping ability.
Baka may dalang hagdan yan.
Oo nga eh.
Mamaya, checkin natin. Baka may invisible na hagdan na dala-dala yan. Siyempre may slow-mo yon.
Meron yun.
Merong slow-mo yon.
Mamaya.
Yung mga inaantok na dyan, sigurado akong nabuhayan dahil sa jam na yon ni Kunanan. Ayan na naman. Oops. Almost. Ayan na si Arizobal. Tumatakbo. Giving it to Katimbuhan. And yes.
Ayan ang replay. Panoorin natin yung replay ng last dunk attempt.
That jam was brought to you by Inco Tools. Avail of that 50% discount on all Inco Power Tools ngayong Ako Bicol Cup. Punta na lamang po kayo sa lahat ng mga branches ng Inco Tools, Legazpi, Sorsogon, and Naga.
Inaantok na ako, nawala yung antok ko dun eh. Dunk ni Kunanan eh.
Para kang nakahigop ng
Oo, mainit na mainit na kape. Asan kaya yan?
with that jam from Kunanan. Hindi naman masyadong katangkaran itong si Kunanan, di ba? Siguro mga 5'9 lang to. Ano?
Siguro kasi ngayon ko lang to si Kunanan, 5'8".
Talaga? Pero kayang mag-200 jam, ano? Sayawan was caught in the act on that replay. Kaya nasa free throw ngayon si Minguez. And this free throw shot is being brought to you by Willie and Sons. Basta Appliances. Asan yung kasama ko? Basta Appliances.
Willie's!
Yun.
Boss Will, good evening. Alam ko nanonood pa rin yun.
Nakakailang Willis ka na. Apat ka na ata o 5. Abiliar with the ball. Crossing over Kunanan. Pero merong push na nakita yung referee.
Foul number 13, Joshua Kunanan. That is first team foul.
Tabaco, humahabolan ng 7 puntos. At meron na rin tayong 7 minuto at
Joshua Alarcon.
17 segundo sa ating last quarter. Yung number 25 ng Bakakay, pinasok na itong si Alarcon. Pinalitan si Villar. Sayawan. Cannot make that drop. Oh no, that's Barcia rather. Ayan na, si another opportunity for Barcia, pero wala. Now si Katimbuhan. Wala din. Ayan na naman si Daldosa from Kunanan.
Nag-aantay yung mga tao dito for that alley-oop eh.
Oo. Kaya lang sabi ni Daldosa, is-sure ball ko na, pre. Para makahabol-habol naman tayo. 85 na, to 90 ang score. So 5 na naman po ang hinahabol ng mga taga-Tabaco. At merong nagkabuhulan doon sa ilalim.
Pero pinulot din kagad ni Minguez.
Minguez and Sayawan.
That is third team foul.
Daldosa. Sumasayaw si Daldosa and that floater, wala. Buti na lang nandun si Minguez.
Foul on Joshua Alarcon. That is fourth team foul.
And we have
Team Tabaco.
And we have a timeout. Calling is Tabaco. And this timeout is being brought to you by Mississippi Bay, your tropical island getaway. Kapa Morgan pa rin po, Coach Kyle Marilla, and the rest of the gang. Dito po sa Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Live na live pa rin po dito sa loob ng Daraga, covered court. Yung mga nagme-message sa akin saying their shout-outs, sensya na, wala yung cellphone ko, sira. Kaya wala yung Android ko kaya hindi ko mababasa yung mga yan.
Boss Mark, 50% off sa Inco.
Oo.
Meron ba doon?
Tools naman ang
Tools pala doon.
Oo. Baka pwede ako makabili doon ng tools para ayusin ko yung cellphone ko, no?
Oo.
That's a long one from Minguez. Wala. Daldosa, his own version of a long one. Wala. Pero nandun ang high one.
Jok Morant ang tawag nila dito.
Jok Morant.
Oo, kay Jok Munanan. This is a proud native of Bagong Abre sa
Abre,
Legazpi.
sa Rawis.
Oo. Yan yung mga pamangkin na ng mga sikat na Kunanan brothers.
Yung mga sikat na players din ng Legazpi. Mga Kunanan. Bigay mo na kasi.
Fly-by move.
Pero kung he was given that ball a little earlier, makaka-witness na naman tayo ng isang jam doon.
Shout out na natin tong mga nandito partner, Kuz B and Herbs Hernandez, kay Arlene Basilia. Magandang gabi po kay Dean BCJ Asoytuno. Magandang gabi kay Danny Boticario. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagtutok.
Kahit medyo late na yung gabi, nandiyan pa rin po kayo. At
11:42 in the evening, pero we have 448 watchers.
live
Live
viewers.
viewers na nanonood pa rin sa atin. Thank you very much.
And 5 minutes and 15 seconds sa ating ball game ang natitira. 15 seconds to shoot para sa mga taga-Tabaco. At hindi na nagpatumpik-tumpik pa itong si Minguez para maibuslo yung tirang yon from behind the arc. And that's a triple.
This is a 2-point ball game. Anything can happen. Pwede pa talaga tayo mag-overtime dito.
Parang gustong-gusto mo mag-overtime,
Yeah.
coach,
Neck and neck battle naman eh.
Oo, basta
Diba?
ganun naman yung
Wire-to-wire game.
basta excitement naman ang ibibigay sa atin.
Yes.
Why not, diba?
Very thrilling game. Kahit 5 overtime pa.
Oo. Kaya natin yon. Mga ganyang tira, oh. Pero that one was obviously foul. Kaya nasa free throw line ngayon itong si Katimbuhan. John Katimbuhan hitting the first one. And this free throw shot is being brought to you by Yashano Mall, Legazpi. And hitting another one is Katimbuhan mula sa free throw line. 94-90, apat lang po ang hinahabol ng mga taga-Tabaco. Bongon Jr. launches a three. Kulang lang ng konti yon. Try another one. Yes, this time. So isa na lamang po ang hinahabol ng mga taga-Tabaco. Salinas, sabi niya, sandali.
Suddenly, we are seeing an action here late sa ating game.
Yes, and we only have 4 minutes and 21 seconds sa ating ball game. This is getting exciting as we come to a close. Basaysay
Short.
hitting nothing there.
Hitting the air. Well, challenge yun eh.
Oo. That caused him to lean backwards. And Minguez! Yes, for Minguez! So lamang na po ang Tabaco all of a sudden. 96-94, kaya ayan, in a hurry na ngayon ng mga taga-Bakakay. Pero mapupunta pa rin sa kanila yung possession.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Sobal finds Katimbuhan. And again, medyo nahirapan si Katimbuhan from the baseline. Pero mapupunta pa rin sa kanila ang bola.
South Division, Joshua Villar for Nicky Brasha.
So papasok si
11 seconds
Villar
on the shot clock.
for Brasha. Nakuha na ng mga taga-Tabako ang bola. Borhal ang may tangan na ng bola, giving it to Cunanan. Cunanan crossing over Basaysay. Menges, dire-diretso.
Tatagal pa talaga ang laban natin dito because Team Bakakay right now is under the penalty.
Penalty.
So magpi-free throw ngayon.
2 shots for Pittsburgh. Again.
Itong si Menges. And that's a good one. The first attempt on the free throw line by Menges. How about the second one? Nope. Pero nandun si Cunanan. Bigla na lang sumulpot. Out of nowhere.
Came out of nowhere, biglang lumipad si Cunanan. Kakagulat. Kahit ako, nagulat ako doon.
Muntik mo nang malunok yung inaano mo, hinahawak-hawak mo.
Muntik ko na malunok, Bigla na lang lumipad
Grabe.
doon eh.
Only here sa Ako Bicol Cup ang mga ganong mga gulat factor. And ayan, di na magkasundo ang mga referee at ang mga player. Ano bang nangyari, ha? Yun. Muntik na. At yun. Op.
What's the call? Out of bounds.
The ball was still alive. Pero nahawakan ni Arizobal. So, kanino mapupunta ang bola? Obviously, sa mga taga-Tabako.
And I think that's the good call. That's a good call because the initial part of that sequence, nahawak ni Cunanan yung bola eh.
Nung pag-bounce, nahawakan na ni
Ni Arizobal,
Arizobal.
na-strip ni Arizobal eh.
Oo. And he was trying to save it, kaya lang nasa labas na. Oy, that's a traveling.
That's the basic fundamental for jab step.
Kanina nakikita kong gumagawa niyan si De La Cruz
Yeah.
ng Santo
Very
Domingo,
smooth.
pero hindi siya na
Oo, very
tatawagan
smooth.
ng traveling.
Very smooth kasi.
Oo. Kasi after a fake, hindi kaagad siya nagsa-step. Talagang nagde-dribble muna siya. And right now, it's Katimbuhan against Balance. Nakita sa corner si Salinas who shoots that triple. Wala. Menges now finds Balance, who finds Bongon and Borhal.
Na-perfect niya na yung kanyang jab step doon.
Oo. Salinas. Sigurado yan.
That's the perfect jab step din para kay Borhal.
Pero ganun pa man, meron pong 4 na kalamangan ng Tabako. Coach, ano sa tingin mo? Talaga bang mag-extend ng laban na to?
I think so, partner. We can go to an overtime here.
Yes, of course. Bakakay is not giving up.
In just a matter of time, this is only a 2-point ball game.
Yes, it is. And it's only a 2-minute remaining sa ating ball game. 2.7.
That is first penalty. 2 shots for Pittsburgh.
At yan, madadagdagan pa ang kalamangan na dalawa kung maibubuslo. Wala yung shoot na yon, wala yung free throw na yon. So 98-96 po ang score natin. And syempre, pagsisikapan ni Menges na maipasok ito, pero malakas pa din yung tirang yon. At matatawagan ng foul ang kanyang kakampi na si Bonggon.
Foul number 11. Reynaldo Bongbong Jr. That's his third.
We have a timeout.
Timeout. Team Bakakay.
Suddenly, merong late run yung Team Tabaco, and that is why meron silang 2-point lead. And that is because of their good interior defense, not letting or not giving up on those fast break opportunities for Team Bakakay. At sa kabila naman, they are converting their free throws. Yung nga lang kanina, namintis lang yon. Pero definitely, we have to expect for more in this ball game.
And then, nakukuha kasi nila yung mga defensive rebounds. And nagkakaroon sila ng transition play. Isa din doon sa tingin ko sa mga factor kung bakit ngayon nakakalamang na po ang Tabaco. They were under about 14 points, di ba coach, kanina?
No, the biggest lead for Team Bakakay was 17.
Oh, 17 nga. Kita mo yan. Katimbuhan. Spinning. Finding that Brasilia guy. Nope. Pero nasa kanila pa rin yung bola. Sabi niya sandali. Ooh, what a move.
Itin lang.
Pero kapos lang yung tirang yon.
At another foul.
Grabe yung panginginayang ni Katimbuhan sa missed shot niya na yon.
And out of frustration, they fouled another player here for the Team Tabaco, and then will shoot 2 free throws para madagdagan ang kalamangan into 4-point lead.
Pero Menges failed to make the free throw shots kanina, and right now, ganun pa rin ang resulta. Doon pa rin tumatama yung bola sa part ng ring na yon. Sa part ng ring. Pero this time, sinigurado niya na nothing but net. So lamang po sila ng tatlo, 99-96. 1 minute and 43 seconds remaining. Katimbuhan. Atras muna ako ng konti. Sandali, bigyan niyo ako ng space. Nakita si Masaysay. Demiretso, wala. Ito na naman ang mga taga-Tabaco.
Foul number 8, Junior Balakida. That's his first penalty.
That's a good foul on the part of Team Bakakay because the big guys of Team Tabaco struggling from the free throw line.
Oo. But we will see kung maibubusli ni Boral. Yun na nga. Nothing but net there. Pero nice try pa din sa koponan para sa koponan ng Bakakay. And hitting another one is Borjal from the free throw line. 101-96. 1 minute and 21 seconds remaining. And
Foul number 5. Reynaldo Balakida, that's his third penalty. 2 shots for John Katimbuhan.
Katimbuhan missing that free throw. And one more for John Katimbuhan. For Team Bakakay na naghahabol ng 6 na puntos. Making that one. So it's going to be it's now a 5-point lead. Balance. In traffic pero nandun si Kunanan. Gives it to Bonggon. Wala. Pero nandun yung mga kakampi niya. Bengues putting it back. Barameda launches a three. Yes! Yes for Barameda. Buhay pa po ang tabak. Ang Bakakay. At 1 minute and 3 seconds remaining in this ball game. So ganun yung role nitong si Barameda. Talagang he just shoots threes. And kagulo na po dito sa sa talipapa. Ayan, the referee still trying to figure out kung ano yung magiging desisyon nila. And that last sequence, so itinuturo na ng isang referee na it's going to be a baseline throw in for Bakakay.
Same ball, shot clock. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Open shot, Barameda once again.
Medyo malakas yung tira niya pero nandun si Katimbuan. Reverse layup, wala. At na-foul doon si Bengues by Sayawan after that rebound.
Penalty.
So, Bengues will shoot 2 free throws.
He has to make these 2 free throws.
Yun lang at
Nabati ko kasi.
oo. Tapos ng konti yung kanyang tira. 104, 100 yung score natin. Under a minute. And Bengues hitting that last shot sa free throw line at nakuha niya pa ang bola.
Call the number 10, jump back into round. That's his first penalty.
So once again, Bengues will be shooting 2 free throws. 105-100. Wala yung unang tira. Marami pa ang posibleng mangyari sa ball game na ito. Kaya wag po kayong aalis sa inyong kinatatayuan. Wag kayong kukurap. Dahil anything can happen. Bengues making sure that that free throw will count for the second time around.
Only a 2-possession ball game with 6-point lead for the Team Tabaco.
Now Barameda bringing the ball in. Dire-diretso itong si Katimbuan. Nasa loob na yung bola ng ring pero umalog pa rin palabas. Ayan na naman. Ay, grabe yung air brake nitong si Kunanan, ano?
Naka ano siya eh, anong tawag doon? Anong tawag doon sa truck? Yung brake ng truck?
Brake fluid.
Ano na, air brake. Oo, no.
Air brake.
Biglang stop eh.
Oo.
Pero hindi siya na outbalance.
Oo.
Pero kasi same landing with the same foot.
Ayan ang nakikita na natin yan kanina sa mga fake niya, di ba? Yung momentum ng katawan niya pa forward pero bila siyang hihinto at magpi-fake. Ayan na naman ang mga taga-Bakakay. Katimbuhan will shoot that 3. Wala. So the opportunity to win for Bakakay is slowly trimming down.
And I guess that's it.
Ayun. Hindi na kuha ng Bakakay yung clutch.
Penalty.
It
sa
is,
game na ito.
if they make these 2 free throws, it is safe to say that that's it for them.
Yeah. Sabi mo nga, this will seal the deal for this team, Tabaco. And I guess that's it. At 18.4 remaining.
Mahirap na to. This is already a 3-possession ball game.
Kaya na nga, siniguro na ni Menges. Villar will shoot a 3. Malayo yon. Prasya will take his chance. Wala din. So ayan na. It's going to be Tabaco's ball game.
Yeah. Again, congratulations for Team Bakakay and Team Tabaco for a job well done.
Yes, and
Dito
this
sa ating Ako Bicol Cup 2022.
ayan po ang final score natin. Tabaco 109, Bakakay 100.
And for our Congressman Saldico Kasurog player of the ball game, Chris Menges with 35 points and 15 rebounds, 1 assist, 4 steals.
Big game for Menges. And that's why he's the Kasurug player of Congressman Saldico player of the game. So maraming salamat po sa mga umantabay. Magmula kanina sa ating first match up hanggang sa umabot nga tayo dito sa laban ng Bakakay at Tabaco as our last match up dito po sa pagtatapos ng elimination round ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. And we are excited dahil we are headed now to the semifinals or quarterfinals of this tournament. It will start on December 3. Alright, so abangan niyo po yun. Yung top 6 na teams or top 2 teams ng bawat district ang magra-round robin na po sa quarterfinals. Magtatapatan na po. Pwedeng first district to second district or second district to third district ang magiging mga laban sa quarterfinals natin. Alright, and well, sa ngalan po ng bumubuo ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022, of course, Congressman Saldico and the Ako Bicol Party List, makasama namin dito sa panel. And yan, sa pangunguna ni Sir Christian Calleja sa technical. Of course, ang aking kasama, Coach Kyle Marilla. And sa court side natin, si Ms. Carmela Hernandez at lahat ng mga kasama natin sa ating broadcast team. And of course, our Commissioner, Lloyd Rivero. Maraming salamat po once again for watching and for staying with us dito po sa final day ng elimination round ng Ako Bicol Cup 2022. Ito po si Kapa Morgan and we're saying goodbye for now and see you sa quarterfinals December 3. Maraming salamat po.
Team Tabaco, please proceed to the center court for picture taking.
sa pagremedyo ng mga sira at paglinis ng dumi. Sa tahanan, opisina, ang maaasahan mo ay Ingo, oh